Should you store sensitive data in JavaScript local storage? Imagine browsing a website and wondering if your private information is safe. Today, we're going to look at whether storing sensitive data in the browser's local storage is a good idea. Local storage is a feature built into web browsers that allows websites to save data directly on your device. It uses the local storage object in JavaScript and stores data as key-value pairs. Unlike cookies, local storage data does not get sent to the server with each request. It stays on your device until you clear it manually. This makes it handy for saving things like user preferences, theme settings, or cached data that you want to keep between visits. But here's the catch. Local storage was never meant for sensitive information. Any JavaScript code running on the web page can access local storage easily. There is no built-in encryption or protection. If your site has a security flaw like cross-site scripting, attackers can run malicious scripts that steal everything stored there. This includes passwords, session tokens, credit card details, or personal info. This is why storing sensitive data in local storage is risky. Unlike cookies with the HttpOnly flag, which prevents JavaScript from accessing them, local storage is always accessible to scripts. Even session storage, which clears when you close the tab, is vulnerable during the active session. If an attacker exploits a vulnerability, they can access your data in real time. The best practice is to use local storage only for data that isn't sensitive. For example, you can store user interface preferences, from progress, or cached images. These are safe because they don't reveal personal or secure information if accessed by someone else. For sensitive data like passwords or authentication tokens, it's safer to keep that information on the server side. Use server-managed sessions or tokens stored in secure cookies with the HttpOnly flag. If you need to store something in the browser for convenience, consider storing a non-sensitive identifier. For instance, save a user ID that your server can look up later. This way, you avoid exposing sensitive details directly in the browser. To sum up, local storage is a useful tool for certain tasks, but it's not designed for sensitive data. Always match your storage method to the type of information you're handling. For web development mastery, understanding these differences helps you build safer applications. Use local storage for what it's meant for, persistent, non-sensitive data, and keep sensitive information on the server.